Okay, we are back with an item we've checked out before. Kizik shoes are really cool. They are the no assisted shoe. You just kind of put your foot in and pop it down. The bottom goes down, then pops back up and locks your heel in place. So you don't need to use your hands at all. We checked them out last year, right before CES, and they sent us a new one. Oh, Voltaire, okay. They sent us their new models. They do have some more different styles and designs and units, which is really cool. But yeah, these are the limited edition black on black models. Look at these. Again, their insert specifically says step right in, straight in, pops down, pops up. So these look amazing. They feel really nice on the inside, good solid soles, and then pop down, pops back up. So we're gonna try these on and let you guys see how it looks like with them sliding on, and then yeah. But I mean, these are really cool looking shoes. I love just the real sleek black look. If you have to wear black shoes, whether for work or for personal preference, these are going to be solid for that. They are just black, 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 which is really nice. Well, let's go check these out. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. You can pick up your Kizik shoes. We'll put a link down below. And we will see you guys next time.